All right, hey, it's Keith with Craps TX. You finally get to see me. How about that? Unless you've checked out my other channel, KnDFlips, which I do have a little bit of footage of me on there and my significant other, but those are some older videos. What I'm going to do today is, let's see, March 29th. I'm not sure when this will come out, but yesterday, March 28th, which was a Saturday, we had a lot of family over, had a nice little crawfish boil outside. But I am in a spare bedroom with my craps table, and I had to take all of that down. So what I figured I would do is show you guys how I put it back together. And that way you can kind of see what my setup looks like and maybe get some ideas for yourself. So stay tuned, and I will kind of fast forward through it. So it's not going to be a long drawn out video. You'll see the sped up version of it. So stick around, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and we'll see you in a moment. All right, just so you can get an idea of the bedroom that I film in and set my craps table up in, it is this spare bedroom we have upstairs. Got a couple of small twin beds in there. There is the tripod that I just used to film the little intro. Just a little retractable tripod that I use for slot videos now as well. Like I said, a couple small twin beds in there. There's a TV for when people are over, small little closet there, and there is the space that I use for my table, and we will see that shortly. Stick around. All right, away we go. Gonna set it up. It's gonna be sped up right about now. All right, so that's how the table gets set up. Like I said earlier, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. By no means is it, some structural engineering feat, it's just a picnic table with a moving blanket on it and the grip mats roll out, deluxe craps mat. And I think I showed it already, and I don't want to get into the light here, but let's flip it around. There we go. There we're just filming from right there. But I do have my logo on the new one. There we go. How about that? So there is the entire setup. This is, the gator back wall is not secured with screws or nails or staples or anything. It's just these big clamps here because I want to keep it in case I want to do something different, which I am. I actually went and picked up a little bit of lumber today, and I'm going to try to widen the base a little bit so I can get more of the this, side to side in there. So put it around again, and there's me again. So that was it. Small bedroom. I don't even know what the dimensions are. Maybe 10 by 14, something like that. But yeah, that is how I get my craps table set up after family or friends or whatever have been in and had to use this bedroom. So the rest of the time, it's my craps room. So, all right. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. On your way out, please hit that thumbs up for us and subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit the like, and I just said hit the like. Hit the bell for notifications, and that way you'll be notified when a new video comes out. Might even be something weird like this, putting a table together. All right. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.